Hi guys, today we'll be trying to solve leetcode 53, which is maximum subarray. This is a medium level problem, and I believe this has been asked in Amazon interview sometime. So let's jump into it. So if I'm reading the problem correctly, I think we have to find a subarray within an array which has the largest sum and return the sum of the subarray. So example one, we can see that this subarray 4, negative 1, 2, 1 would yield a sum of 6. Let's see what other subarrays can be formed and what permutations we can have. So we can have, let's say, if we pick this up randomly. So we have negative 4 and 4 and 1, which is 1. This does not work, obviously, if we have, let's say, these ones. So we'll have, yeah, we have largest sum 6, right? That's there. We can't have negative 5, that will reduce the sum quite a lot. So we can't have any of these. And we can't have any of these because again they'll go to negative 5. So this is the only possible subarray within the array which gives us the largest sum. Example 2 is a good example of base case when we have only one element in the array. That's the maximum sum of the subarray within that array because it's only containing one element, right? So its largest sum is 1. Example 3 is again another edge case, I guess, because the maximum sum is the entire array itself, which is the maximum subarray, maximum sum of the subarray within that array. So we do have the entire array to us, and we're summing each element to find the output, which is 23 in this case. So even if we have smaller subarrays, let's say 7 and 8, it is 15, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, negative 1, 4, which is 11, 8, 19 minus 118, which is not true. So yeah, we have the maximum sum as the array itself, which is the maximum subarray. They've asked us to kind of do it in two ways, which is the offline solution and the divide and conquer approach. I'll see what I can do here because I'm not too sure if I can properly do this using divide and conquer. So if I understand correctly, I can first I need to have a variable, right? So which kind of stores the maximum sum of the array. So we'll have uh, let's say max sub equals the array name is nums, right? So we can have, let's say, nums of first element of the array, right? So we'll have that, and we can also store, because we're summing each element within the array and we need to keep track of the sums. We can have current sum, which is also equal to 0. Now we run a loop. So we go from because we have nums, right? So we can have a variable, let's say for n. When that's true, we can have we observe also that we can have negative elements in the array, right? So we need to check for that. So if sum is 0, that case will be if it's negative 2, right? So the current sum is negative 2 as of now. So to counter that, we'll have to reassign the value of sum 0, and then post that should add the value of n to sum, because we can't subtract negative values. We have to add them to get the maximum result. So we'll add them. And then sum is that, and post that we've dealt with that. So any other condition would lead us to say that max sub would equal the maximum of max sub, and in this case we'll have current sum again. So we're kind of seeing which is the maximum. Yeah, that should work. And yeah, and I think we return max sub at the end. This should work, I guess. So yep, it's accepted, and if I submit this, what I get at the end is it works and accepted. It runs in 720 ms because I had like this one array which is O of n in complexity and good memory too. So yep, that was my take on this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.